All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. More case videos for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I should be wrapping up. I have a few more that I want to show you here. I've been showing you one pretty much every day, but this one right here is this setup is from Pitaka. So we're going to look at 3 cases from Pitaka for the S25 Ultra, and I got to tell you, all of them are going to be really nice. So I'm going to start with this first one here. This is from the tactical woven lineup, and this one is the blue color. I like that they show you what's in the box right on the box. It's got this raised lettering. It's actually pretty nice. So we'll get into it. Ooh, yeah, I didn't know what to expect on that one. That's beautiful. All right, so we'll get it open here. You get some literature and things in there, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that to you, bore you with that. I will say that if you do want to know about the case or whatever, just, you can pause it here and read all you want to read on it. It's up to you. Or you get the link in the description and get it a full-fledged version of what's going on with the case. So here's the case itself. Now, instantly, I wanted to show you the interior here because it's got obviously the MagSafe technology. This is Easy Mag Easy Case 6. So you've got the name of it here. I think this is the name of it, Star Peak Color. I'm pretty sure that's what the color is labeled there. But here is some branding here. You can see all the ports and cutouts, how everything is going to show up here for you. And now obviously you can see the technology. They use very strong magnets in there. Whoa, these very strong magnets in there. So I've learned that about Pitaka and other companies. These ultra thin cases work very well with MagSafe technology or Mag Easy when you're speaking of Pitaka. So I'm going to go in this side first. I'm going to pop it down because that is how you'll take this on and off. And I like here that the camera modules are individually separated and cut out. I think that's a huge win for Pitaka because some companies, I think all of the ultra thin cases like this, I think they're doing it, but some cases are not. But having the cameras individually cut out, the reason I like that is because you're protecting more of the phone. So less exposed. But when you flip it over on the side, your volume rocker and power button are exposed. And this is cut out on the top, but then the portion for the charger is cut out on the bottom. And that is pretty much what you get with this phone. Or this case, you have lip protection now. And I like that these ultra thin cases now are coming with lip protection, but also that helps you get the case off. So again, MagSafe technology. This is a strong magnet in here. And you also have wireless charging. Wireless charging will work with all of these cases I'm going to show you, but I will demo it for you here. The new charging animation is very cool. And that is it. So we're going to jump into some more cases from them. I'll put this one aside here. Let's get it. Very nice. And the next one from the tactical woven lineup is right here. This is what this one looks like. Very nice. Trying to get it out without taking all this. There we go. And this is Star Peak as well. So I don't think that's the color. The color will be labeled. Where's the color labeled at? If you hit the link in the description, it'll tell you the color. I really like it though. These blue ones are really nice right here. But again, same case, different pattern, feels really good. They feel different too based on how they're made from the texture. Now the third case I'm going to show you is not from this lineup. This third case is from the pin button collection. And what this is this is a full-on case. It is not like these ultra thin cases. There's going to be a full case in here. And as you can see, this one gets a little bit of special attention. And I'm glad to see Pitaka doing full cases like this because a lot of people don't like ultra thin cases and they feel some type of way. But here's their answer. This is like their answer to Binks. So you got your volume rocker and your power button. Flip it over. obviously Pitaka branding. You have the nice microfiber material inside to protect it. And on the bottom here, you get a little bit of Pitaka branding. This is so beautiful. And then that strong Pitaka magnet that they use. Wow, that thing is strong. And remember, all of these work with wireless charging. So how do you take these ultra thin cases off? I rest it in my hand, I push up on both corners, and I slide forward. And sometimes I'll use the camera module to help push it out. Now, to this case, this is just a full protection case. So it's kind of the sides are all rubbery. And this is it, folks. Of these cases, now, you know, I'm an ultra thin case type of guy. This is an ultra thin case. It's just a rubbery full coverage case. And I'm so happy to see that Pitaka is doing this now. It's like it should have been. It's like it should have been. They should have done this quite some time ago and should have been doing it since day one. But they're known for their ultra thin cases, and I respect it. This, though, is ultra thin case on the next level. Your buttons are covered. Everything. Now for the pin button case here, you want to hold your phone over the backside like is instructed, and then it'll pop up the browser here. And then it'll bring you to this page right here, and it'll show you exactly how to set up the buttons on the case to actually use them. It's 3 buttons you can trigger here to set up the flashlight or any app you want to set up. And I think that's very cool. Now with that, this is the Pitaka lineup here for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Very cool to see this. This was also out on the S24 as well. I don't know how often I would use these buttons right here to trigger it, because I would hate to have accidental presses, but nonetheless, the case itself is very cool, and it's a cool idea. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Links in the description to buy your Pitaka cases. See you in the next one. Take care.